Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about surds. Okay, surd. If n is any positive integer and a is also any positive integer, and here n must be greater than 1. If n is any positive integer greater than 1 and a is also positive rational number, then nth root a is called surd. Nth root a is called surd. And one more condition for a is not nth power of any rational number. That means a cannot be right as b power n or something. Okay, a is not the nth power of any rational number, then nth root a is called surd. Okay, just for your understanding I am saying here root 2 is a surd and root 3 is surd also. Now you see root 9. Root 9. Now square root means whole power 1 by 2 only, na? 9 power 1 by 2. This 9 we can write as 3 square. That means nth power of 3. Here n is 2 gada. Okay, 3 square whole square, then it will be 3. So now can we say root 9 as a surd? No. Okay, a is not the nth power of any rational number. That's the meaning. And coming now, cube root of 9 is a surd. Why? We cannot write 9 as a cube of any number. Okay, and root 7, these are the surds. Okay, so now what is the exponential form of nth root a? Exponential form of nth root a is a power 1 by n. Just like square root is equal to whole power 1 by 2. So here n is there. So a power 1 by n. And this nth root a is called radical form. What it is? Radical form. Nth root a. We read as nth root a. అంటే surd అంటే ఏంటి అంటే మనకి n అనేది ఒక పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 1 అవ్వాలి, a ఈజ్ ఆల్సో పాజిటివ్ రేషనల్ నెంబర్ అవ్వాలి, అండ్ ఏని ఏ నెంబర్ యొక్క పవర్గా కూడా మనం రాయకూడదు, nth పవర్గా రాయడానికి వీలు లేకుండా ఉంటేనే then nth root a is a surd. I explain here. Root 9 is not a surd because we can write as 3 square. Okay. So now if we see cube root of 8. Cube root of 8. Is this cube root of 8 is a surd? No. Why? Because 8 we can write as 2 cube. 2 cube whole power 1 by 3. Then it is 2 only, na? So it is not a surd. And square root of square root 2. It is a surd. It is a surd. Why? Now square root of 2 means 2 power 1 by 2. Again square root is there. 2 power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2. That means 2 power 1 by 4. 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. That means it is 4th root 2. Right? We cannot write 2 as power of 4 to any number. So this is a surd. So surd ante meeku ardhamaindi anukuntunna. Now we will see do these problems in this same page number 24 only. Now we will see page number 24. Try this problem. Sorry. Now we will see page number 4. Do this problem. First one, write the following surds in exponential form. Here 4 problems is given. So write the following surds in exponential form. So exponential form of root 2. exponential form of root 2. So nth root a exponential form, I told you a power 1 by n. So here square root means 2 power 1 by 2. So second problem, cube root of 9. So exponential form of cube root of 9 is equal to 9 whole power 1 by 3. Very simple. Third one, exponential form of fifth root of 20. 20 whole power 1 by 5. So by using this formula we are writing. And last one, 17th root 19, right? So exponential form of 17 root 19 is equal to 19 whole power 1 by 17. So like this we can write the exponential form of given surds. Now we will see the second one in the same. Do this. Now we will see our second problem. Write the surds in radical form. Here 4 problems are given. Surds. Write the surds in radical form. So radical form means square root must be there. Okay. So a power 1 by n is exponential form and nth root a is radical form, right? So here we have to write the radical form. So see, first one, radical form of 5 power 1 by 7 is equal to 7th root 5. And radical form of 17 whole power 1 by 6 is 6th root 17. Placing on this. So third one, radical form of 5 power 2 by 5. Okay. So what is there in the denominator? 5, right? So this fifth root of 5 square, that means 5 square means 25. So fifth root 25. And our fourth one, radical form of 142 whole power 1 by 2 is, here 2 is there. So square root of 142. No need of writing 2 there. Okay. So it is square root of 142. So like this we can write exponential form and radical form of surds. I think you understand these problems. Please share this video and like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.